Here in step 3, we're going to look at what's available in the template. Remember, as I said in the previous video, that this is a template I designed specifically for our district. So the template that you use from the Commons or from your district will likely have different things in it. But let's go ahead and do an overview. And so there are a couple different parts that I'd like you to pay attention to, and we'll just glance at them quickly, but we'll go into detail on each one of them in a future video. Okay, so this first module are 3 different homepage options, and I'm just going to open them up really quickly and just show you the difference. We'll actually start with what a kindergarten one could look like, and when we go over each one how to change these, I'll go over what are the required parts for our district. Okay, so notice that there's a subject banner with the teacher's name. There are some icons or buttons available for different parts of the school day, a welcome paragraph, and then a place for you to put a welcome video. And now you're going to find a similar thing in each of the other templates, though the buttons might be a little bit different. And then in 1st through 8th grade, at least not including our main middle school, since everybody's on the same schedule, there includes a course schedule, and I'll teach you how in a future video how to link each one of these individual graphics to a different course so that the students can get that individual, that curated experience where they don't have to go and find their course. And then finally, the Seven Oak and High School one is very similar, but you notice that it doesn't have that navigation below it. Okay, so now I'm going to go back out to the module. So those are our templates. Second, we have some buttons, banners, and icons. Okay, and I'll just open each one of those quickly just to show you what's going to be available. And so there's a button page here that has a wide variety of buttons, and it looks like my video stopped, but who cares? Just go without my face. A wide variety of button available, and as I'll show you later, you can edit each one of these. Same thing with the banners. These were stolen straight off of Canva, and then I edited them a little bit. They were originally designed for Google Classroom, but they'll work just fine for us. Each one of those can be edited. And finally, the same thing with the buttons. And there's about 21 that are in here right now that work great for that lower elementary. And then some icons that you can use. All these are from Flat Icon, and they're all free to use in your courses. Okay, going back out to the module view. Okay, then after these 2 modules here, I'm just going to shrink them. We have, and these are really resources. These are more of templates for types of pages, as well as what your modules could look like. There's a module for general class information. Oftentimes you'd keep this at the very top or the very bottom of your module page with different options here like class overview, schedule, some resources for parents or your class. And then I have 2 different how you could lay out your modules. One is a unit based, and that unit includes individual lessons using text headers. And another is a week based, where it has the date of the week, as well as Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, so on and so forth, with the text headers there. And each one of these is a sample page that you can use. Okay, and then these are some built-in pages. We actually got these from a template that we got from Canvas themselves, so I just kept this in here, as well as a Get Help module and a For Parents module that you could put information in there, and then you could link to that if you so desired. So this is our course template. In future videos, I'm going to go over each one of the home pages and then what needs to be included on them. So just choose in the next video what your grade level is and just watch that video. Thanks.